In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Heatmap table colors in Looker Studio. Whether you're working on a report and need your data to pop, or you're just trying to understand your information with a bit more visual aid, getting those Heatmap colors just right can make all the difference. Let me walk you through the process step by step so you can bring your data to life. First, we'll need to enable the Heatmap format in your report. To get started, you'll want to be in Edit mode. Take a look at the table chart you plan to format. Got it? Excellent. Now, let's make our way over to the right side of the screen, to that Properties panel. You see it? Great. Click on the Style tab. Once you're in there, scroll your way down to the Metrics section. This is where the magic starts to happen. Find the metric you'd like to showcase as a heat map. Currently, it's likely displaying as a default style, showing numbers. Let's change that. Switch the display style over to Heatmap. Now, with the Heatmap format enabled, you're going to notice some new options pop up. Let's talk about them. You'll see a section for column color. Here's your chance to get creative. Click and select any base color you'd like for that metric's Heatmap background. Remember, this is about highlighting the information, so choose a color that resonates well with your data and the story you're trying to tell. Next, let's look at Heatmap text contrast. This option is crucial because it determines how clearly your text will stand out against the colored background. You want your data to be easily readable, right? You can choose None, Low, Medium, or High for the font contrast over the Heatmap. If you find that the text isn't quite standing out against your color choice, consider playing around with these settings. Try Medium or High to enhance readability. It's all about balancing style with function, ensuring that your viewer can see both the color gradient and the data itself clearly. And there you have it. With these steps completed, your table's background colors will now reflect value intensity with the color and contrast you've chosen. Take a moment to look over your newly styled data and appreciate the way the information now articulates itself visually. This enhancement can be a powerful tool in conveying your data's story and making insights jump off the page. Keep practicing these steps to perfect your formatting skills, and soon enough, customizing your reports will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your data now shines as brightly as it deserves.